Today I want to show you how to install the no-knock security lock, and this will be for the double doors. Uh, First you have a pin that you need to take out, a hinge pin. So we'll take out the middle hinge pin on the left-hand side using a punch and knocking up from the bottom, and it will come out the top, and then just replace it with our hinge pin. We have a patented hinge pin that has a bend in it for our lock. So we'll just put it on top, tap down on it, and you will notice that it swivels. And so it'll go from inside to outside. And then you want to do the same thing on the other hinge pin straight across from it. So you go ahead and get that pin out. And then the only other thing you need to do for double doors is just put the long screws in those two hinges that go into the frame. Now, after you get it in, what you need to do is buy a bar, a 2x4 wooden bar that extends 2 inches past the edges of the door. And if you get it from a home improvement center, they'll usually cut it for you, whatever size you want. And you can take and stain it or paint it, or it just depends on what you want to do to match up with your decor. You can do that. And then also, this is the lock for the center. You can do two other locks on the top and the bottom to make it even stronger. Now this is a single door, and I want to show you how to do the single door by taking the pin out in the center of the center hinge, and you'll have to measure down from the top of the door to the top of the hinge, and do that for the other side, so that you can line up our special hinge on the opposite side to match up and make the bar level. So once we install this pin, I will show you how to install the hinge on the other side. You just line it up, and the part that bends around the corner so the door does not interfere with it. And you put in one screw to kind of get it lined up and straight. And then you'll put in the second screw, the two small screws in the front. And then after that, you'll want to put in the two long screws, which are back away from you, from the door. So as you see, you can close the door and the door doesn't interfere. You want to check that for sure. And then put in the other two screws. And the bar that goes across it has been tested for 3,000 pounds, or actually 6,000 pounds. It won't break for up to 3 tons. So you don't have to worry about the bar breaking. So as I show you, when you close the door doesn't interfere. And then you knock this pin out and take the leaf and the pin that comes out of this, and you can just discard it. You don't need it. It was just there to help you line it up. So then put our pin in, and you're almost finished. All you need is the wooden bar. And like I said, this bar is about 45 inches. It just sets across it. Now the kit does come with a Z bracket, and the Z bracket is on the bottom. You put the Z bracket on the bottom of the bar right here, and that will hook over the pin, the hinge pin. And you do that to store it or keep it out of the way. Use it for storage or whatever. And then when you need to lock the door, you swing it out, swing it up, and back across the other hinge pin. And that's it. The door's locked. Thanks for watching.